a lot of my clients would have clients that are FDI clients,
Yeah.
and they're leveraging their relationships with them in Ireland
Yeah.
to actually sally forth into these other geographies and grow their businesses that way. And that's the kind of the playbook of the Jones Engineerings and the Shure Engineerings, mechanical and electrical firms that are now operating up in Sweden and Germany, and
huge success stories. Yeah,
huge
amazing.
success stories. But they've leveraged their relationships with the foreign direct investment firms to break into other geographies. Have you done that?
100%. Yeah. Well, that's certainly the current plan. And I mean, we're working with IDA companies coming into Ireland. You know, we've got some really good kind of case studies in that regard. You know, kind of filling, you know, kind of key kind of site lead roles, or kind of managing the initial hiring that they're doing in Ireland on site. But certainly, I think what's interesting for us is looking at Irish companies. Those are similar Irish companies, not necessarily in construction, but looking, you know, technology companies, Irish technology companies or telecoms companies that have set up and are expanding overseas. And I think that's kind of a model, you know, maybe, you know, using the green jersey to some extent to kind of help, you know, because you've already got those relationships to some extent, and kind of leveraging that. Exactly. And I think when you look at industry, I mean, it goes to show how kind of, you know, there's senior Irish people throughout lots of kind of key sectors, and whether that's telecoms, it could be you know, technology. And I think kind of using those relationships is a great kind of entry point for us for new markets.